Hello guys and welcome to our new video for fixing Vega error in Kali Linux. So when you try to run Vega in the terminal, it says that an error has occurred, and it tells you to check the log file. This error happens when you upgrade your Kali Linux to a new version or when you upgrade your Kali Linux packages. Because Vega works on Java version 8. And when you upgrade your Kali, it will automatically switch to the newer version, which is 10. So what we need to do to solve this issue, is to config Vega to use the Java version 8. To do this, type this command in the terminal. Then type the selection 2 which contains the Java 8 OpenJDK. Then run Vega again. As you see, Vega opens successfully. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our new channel CodeTech. Salam.